Check out the newest multiple meeting location update within calendars. This feature is going to allow you to offer and manage various meeting location options within calendar settings, enhancing scheduling flexibility and convenience. This is going to seriously increase flexibility. Now your clients can choose their preferred meeting location. It's also going to enhance your user experience. Providing multiple options is going to ensure a much more personalized and convenient booking process for both you and for your clients. This will also improve your efficiency because now you can simplify the scheduling process by managing all meeting location preferences within a single calendar. Now, when scheduling consultations, your clients can select their preferred meeting format. Maybe they're going to select Zoom, or maybe they're going to select a in-person appointment. Well, now they can do this directly through the booking widget, ensuring a seamless scheduling experience. This feature is located under Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you're going to select Calendars, and then you're going to want to make sure you're under Calendars in the upper navigation. Now go ahead and create a new calendar or edit something existing. Go ahead under the meeting details and now add your locations. Select the locations you'd like to utilize. And now go ahead and preview those added locations within your calendar. This feature enhances flexibility and convenience, making it easy for clients to choose their preferred meeting format. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.